The Super Eagles camp officially opened in Kigali on Sunday night, with Victor Osimhen, several other players and officials reporting for duty ahead of Nigeria's crucial World Cup qualifier. Joining Osimhen are Tolu Arokodare, Bruno Oyemechi, Papa Daniel, goalkeepers Anas Obasogie, and Kayode Bankole. Their presence marks the start of full training session as the team gears up for the must-win encounter. Osimhen's arrival is a major boost, with Galatasaray strike expected to lead Nigeria's attack. He's joined by Arokodare, who will be eager to impress the coaching staff. Meanwhile, the presence of Oyemechi strengthens the defensive setup, while Obasogie and Bankole will compete for a spot in goal. The Nigerian delegation was warmly received by the country's ambassador to Rwanda. More players are expected to join the camp in the coming hours as the team intensifies preparations. The Super Eagles are focused on securing a vital win as they push for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Keep watching NaijaNews TV for more news sports stories. Please stay tuned.